I don't miss you.
This is gonna work out, you know.
I don't miss you.
Alright. What's up? I'm very enthusiastic here because I'm finally gonna do the video that I wanted to do for a very long time, and that is on my bag, what my gear is, and just everything I take with me when I go flying. Hopefully this won't be long and boring. Starting with the bag, this is the REI Trail 25, obviously made by REI, and great quality bag. I'm not gonna go on and on about how high quality this bag is. It's very high quality. I would definitely recommend it for, for the FPV use. You can put a decent number of quads on here. You could obviously put as many as you want on, just like stacking them up there and making it look absolutely absurd, but you can put 2 on here pretty comfortably, and that's all I'd say you'd ever need. So how the quad is mounted to the bag, if I show you here, it's got these, I think it's for like a tent or something, but there's these like loops. You've probably seen it. Yep, just take these off. This is the quad. This is what I'm flying. I'm gonna have to do a video on this soon because I've recently switched. There's my quad. The other thing that's really nice about this bag that I really enjoyed is the rain fly cover, and that goes in this pouch right here. The pouch is designed not for you to have to fold this up and make it all look really nice and neat. You just shove it in like this and it's in, and it works great, and it can cover 2 to 3 quads, and you don't have to cover the whole bag. Obviously the bag is waterproof, so if you just have a couple quads, you just throw this over and you're done. First thing we have here are these pockets over here, which I usually like put a water bottle or cables or something. Really nice pockets. I love the design, how these work. They're very flexible. Another one on the other side, and then on this side here we have this pocket, which is kind of a little discreet and kind of secretive. But inside here we have cables. I have USB-C, just regular USB, micro USB or whatever, and a prop tool, which is a ratchet prop tool. It's got the 8mm socket on there. Alright, so that's the entire outside of the bag. Obviously it's very comfortable. It's very nicely padded. Obviously, true zippers are everything should always have true zippers. So if we open up this, there's a whole bunch of miscellaneous things in here. There's some SD cards. I'm not gonna. Some of these things are small. I'm not gonna take them out. The chapstick and the hand sanitizer are in there right now for some reason. A baggie, which I usually put like these antennas. A small. I have also another bag for antennas. A whole bag of just miscellaneous antennas. There's a directional, a dipole, some omnis, pretty basic, and then some spare batteries when I'm traveling with my camera. Yeah, that's everything that's in here. Oh, this is just a little container of nuts for your motors, in case I drop one. I love how this bag opens as well. It just, folds open like that. You get access to half of what's inside the bag. That's one of the reasons I really like this bag. On the very top, I have props, pretty basic, the HD3s, the Fat Shark HD3s. And I'm going to do a video about goggles, maybe today, I don't really know. But they have like 2 times the field of view as my Teleporter V5s, and it's literally the most amazing thing ever. I have the other pair because I'm doing the video. Normally this would be in its own goggle case, but this kind of is a representation that kind of goes right there. A speaker, I sometimes put this on the outside if I don't have space and I'm bringing other things, but it's just a wireless speaker. Batteries. This bag is actually a first aid kit from Walgreens, and I obviously used it to put my batteries in. I spray painted it and thought it wasn't going to work. It actually worked out really nice. I'm going to re-spray paint it some other color, but yeah, this is the battery bag, and inside obviously are just a bunch of batteries. I'll put like 8 to 10 packs in here. That's usually all I ever need. And then on the top are battery straps and like GoPro straps, and then these little 3D printed covers I designed that go over the XC60s. And then the other last 2 things I keep in here always are this USB charger and a battery checker. I just always leave those dangling around in there. Works great. My radio is in this black bag. I don't really know what it's from. Gimbal protectors, obviously. Always want to protect your gear. Strap, pretty basic. And then the radio, which is the FlySky FSI 6. It's a great radio. for $50. I've done a lot of modifications to that radio. Leave a comment below and I will probably do a video on it if there's interest. I might just do a video just because I want to. Toolkit. There's a soldering iron, a Sharpie, some files, some cloths, some tweezers, Allen wrenches, camera adjuster, herpedemers, or whatever you call these, like medical pliers, some solder, just kind of the basic stuff you might need. And then on the top is a frequency chart for anyone that is at like an event and doesn't really know what frequency they're on, or you're in an argument about what frequency race 2 is, or whatever, something like that. Lastly, is this little pouch. I used to put everything in here on the top, and I kind of decided not to just because I don't always go for this stuff all the time, and this is kind of quick access. Inside here is just a lot of spare stuff. And I mean, for instance, there's some spare lenses for your run cam, some spare bolts, some plates, some power distribution boards, some more camera stuff, heat shrink, the GoPro protectors for your lens for the session, some more solder, some more cables, and a bunch of more bolts and stuff. So that's it. So that's everything that's in my bag. If you guys have any questions about anything that I skipped over or you saw and I didn't mention, or anything really in general, just leave a comment below and I will get to that. Also, like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to upload every week. We'll see. I've been doing decent with it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later.
I'm only happy